In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Revolut to a bank account. So in order to do this, go ahead and open up the Revolut app and click Payments in the bottom. From here, go ahead and click on Plus in the top right. Here, click on Bank Recipient. Then here, simply enter your bank details, so the country of the recipient's account, then the currency, the IBAN, first and middle names, and the last name. And after entering all of this, go and click on Add Recipient. And then after that, they will show up right here. And from here, just go ahead and select that bank account or that recipient from the list. Then you will see this. Now for you, it probably won't show any previous transfers, but just go and click on Send in the bottom. Then choose how much you would like to send. You can also see your balance right here. So for example, I'll say €4. And after that, just gonna click on send in the bottom to confirm the transfer. And you can see the estimated arrival in this case is usually within seconds. So now you know how to transfer money from Revolut to a bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.